everyone, this is Katie with DK Designs, and today I'm going to be revealing the mystery kit for June. Spots are open today if you want to make sure to not miss out on the next mystery kit. I put the link below in the description box. So for our mystery subscription, we offer 3 different versions of the mystery kit. We have our standard version, our Hobonichi Cousin Weekly version, and then the decorative version, and I'm going to show you all 3, but first I'm going to show you the standard version. So for June's mystery kit, first we have this bonus item here. It's on washi sticker paper, and the foil is silver, and as you can see, the color theme is purple and blue, kind of like a pastel purple and blue, and the foil is silver. There are some dolphins, a flamingo, a starfish, just like a bunch of like sea creatures, coconut with a straw and umbrella in it. And then the divider strips have seashells on it and starfish. This is the first page of the June mystery kit, and I love that it's beach themed. It's very summery. So first we have like one of those beach houses, like it's actually on the beach if you see the stilts underneath the house. And I love that the house is purple, and the foil, there's palm trees and waves. This is like a buggy out on the beach, and there's beach towels inside. There's a floaty, a fashion girl over here with a sun hat and a cute little beach outfit. And then there's that coconut with the straw in it. And over here, there's the beach bag, some sandals, the hat. There's like a bundle of flowers down here. And this is another coastal scene. I love the dolphin, the waves, the sandals, and the flamingo. It's just so gorgeous. And there's a beach bed right here, and another fashion girl, and she's holding a ball, like a beach ball. The second page, there's the Monday through Sunday strips for your dailies, and then there's the washi strips below that. I'm in love with the dolphins. I think they're so cute, and the seagulls, and there's like a pastel purple and blue mixture, and then these strips have like the close-up of the flowers and the beach in the background. This page has 2 more full boxes. This one is of like a balcony with a wicker chair, a journal, and it looks like either sunset or the sun is rising. And then this is the front view of the villa out on the beach. Some Monday through Sunday box for tracking. And over here, there are some like corner pieces, if you look closely, to frame boxes. Down here, the weekend script and a few foiled pieces. There's a couple of stamps, and then layering pieces that you could also write inside of those too. And lastly, the heart date dots for the month. This is the functional page. So in the middle, there's the habit trackers for Monday through Sunday. And then there are some rectangular boxes so you can write in your own headers. And below these are oval boxes, and there's foiled icons like the palm trees and the sandals. This page at the top, there are flags and the scenes that we saw from earlier in there with a few newer things, like there's some florals right here. It's very cohesive. Layering pieces, movie icons that you can write in a show or movie that you're currently watching, 3 bow checklist boxes for checking things off for the day. And then at the bottom, there's circles, stickers for the different colors. Next is the Fashion Girl boxes. This first Fashion Girl looks like she's holding some tanning lotion or sunblock, and then a drinky drink in her other hand, and then a cabana themed out on the sand, some champagne and pillows, Fashion Girl with the sun hat, and then this box says summer with florals. Then up here, there's some icons that you can use: shopping cart, laptop, trash, laundry, and then below that are some script that you can use. So like family time tasks, YouTube, things like that. And this is the deco page, and how gorgeous are these outfits? So it looks like this Fashion Girl is wearing a swimsuit and she has like a cover-up dress over it. Same with over here. And then this Fashion Girl has like a flowy skirt. I love the swan floaty, butterfly. This is like the sign, beach, boats, ocean. And the coconut, again, it looks like maybe that's like an acai or some type of smoothie in the coconut. The flower banner, some seashells on this page too. Next, this page has some scallop dividers at the top with the different colors that we have. And these dividers are florals, the half scallop circles, and then at the bottom there's thinner washi strips with different designs in the background. This is like the waves lapping up on the beach, and then this is like a floral bundle. And the last page is the header and glitter header page. So it's like to do today, this week, work, and then down here is just the glitter strips that you can use. So this is the standard kit for the June mystery. Next, let's look at the Hobonichi Cousin option that's also like a journal. So this is the Hobonichi version of our mystery kit. So this fits perfectly in the Hobonichi Cousin weekly section of that planner, but you could also use this if you just like smaller boxes rather than the bigger standard sized boxes, and as well if you like more of like the journal style for stickers and planning. So I'm going to go through this and show you what it looks like. So we have that same bonus. The first page has the same scenes and boxes, and there's a Monday through Sunday here, and this is like a habit tracker, but it says the Monday through Sunday in the boxes below for you to just to check off. Some rectangular stickers right here that you can write in as a header. The next page is the same Monday through Sunday with the washi. And then this is more of the journal page, where here you get stickers that are like torn edged paper stickers. So there's the florals with the sea in the background and the beach. I really love using these in my planner to like really frame a page or section. There's glitter headers, there's other rectangular boxes that you can write in, and down here a few floral dividers and half scallop circles. This page is kind of like the sticky note layering page, where there's different little sticky notes that you can write within, or you can use as layering pieces. There's a few banners, there's some arrows that you can utilize, and off to the left side there's the heart, date, dots, and then the weekend script. This is also the same with the boxes and the icons, it's just sized down. The deco page is the same as well. However, there is an additional deco page where the deco is quite larger, so you can see the details more closely for some of these deco artwork. So like the floaty, you can really see the details, the wings and such. And there's butterfly, that smoothie and the coconut, the florals, sunglasses, I love that. This is the Hobonichi journal version of our mystery kit. And lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative. The decorative version of our mystery kit is on washi sticker paper. So it's the same paper as what is on the add-on piece. So if you like that texture, if you like how it looks, I recommend doing the decorative add-on. First page are the swatches, the box swatches. So there's that artwork that we saw before, except for it's in a different format where it looks more like torn page type sticker. Still have that silver foil on there. The next page is the additional box swatches. There's a big box at the top here of that beach scene, the dolphin again. I love the sparkles next to the sun. And a couple of fashion girls, and down here there's a few little like washi strips and then a layering piece. This page is the border, so it's basically like washi. The bottom though is a straight edge and the top is hugging the artwork. So again, the beautiful flowers. We have the foiled art, the blues and purples mixed together. Then the decorative page with the fashion girls and the florals. And the next decorative page, I really love that sign, the beach, boats, ocean. This page is the scripts and dates, so the scripts are at the top. You have 2 weeks of Monday through Sundays, and then below that, there are a few other scripts like to do, meals, errands, and appointments. And lastly, at the bottom, you have 2 different options for date dots for the colors. You have the purple and the blue. The last page is the Terrible Washi sheet. So the Terrible Washi sheet, there is like a cut at the top here where you can go with your finger to peel back the sticker page, and you can tear the sheet in whatever way you'd like. The background is the purple and blue kind of mixed together, and that foil is like palm trees, the ocean waves, looks like a surfboard, and a beach umbrella. So this is the decorative add-on, and that's the reveal for June's mystery kit. I'm so excited to use this in my planner. I feel like it's so summery, it's so happy, and it makes me, I want to go get like a smoothie now or something. It's definitely setting like a good vibe for your planner and your plans for the summer. Please let me know what you think of the June mystery kit below. We love to hear your thoughts and feedback. If you have any questions too, let us know about the subscription. Again, the link is below in the description to sign up to receive the next mystery subscription. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this reveal. I appreciate you all, and I hope you have a wonderful month. Bye everyone.